Hello everyone. So friends, in our last lecture we saw that how we can create a Maven project in order to use JUnit 5 with Mockito. So in this lecture we'll see that how we can create a Maven project which has JUnit 4 and the Mockito dependencies so that we can work on Mockito and JUnit 4 simultaneously. So friends, in IntelliJ, what we'll do file new and we'll do project. Here we'll create a Maven project. We'll keep project SDK at 1.8. We'll do next. Here we'll give the name to it as Mockito JUnit 4. So this would be our project name. We'll give group ID as com.hubberspot. We'll keep the artifact ID as it is and the version as 1.0-snapshot. We'll click finish. We'll select new window. So friends, here you can see the Maven project has been created. So in order to use JUnit 4 with Mockito, what we'll do, we'll add the dependencies for JUnit 4 and Mockito. So in order to add the JUnit 4 dependency, what we'll do, we'll go to Chrome and here we'll do JUnit 4 Maven dependency. So we'll select this link and here you will see the latest version to be 4.13. So we'll copy this, go to IntelliJ and we'll simply paste it here. So it will resolve the dependencies for JUnit 4.13. So friends, after adding the JUnit dependency, which is 4.13, now we'll add the Mockito dependency. So the Mockito dependency which we want to add, which should work with JUnit 4.13, will be Mockito core. So here we'll Google Mockito core Maven dependency. And here you can see we have this Mockito core Maven repository, Mockito mock objects library, core API and implementation. So here we'll pick the latest version, which is 3.2.4. We'll copy this. We'll go to IntelliJ and we'll simply paste it here. So friends, after the dependencies are resolved, if we open the external dependency, you will see that it has JUnit 4.13 and it has Mockito core. So friends, when we will demonstrate Mockito with JUnit 4, we will use this project because there is some difference when we use it with JUnit 5 and JUnit 4. So we'll simply switch between these two projects and we'll see that how Mockito is compatible with JUnit 5 and JUnit 4. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.